wise and get truckerized today.
Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Mac Daddy 7 Double Deuce in Reno, Nevada on this RCI 99 N4. Mac Daddy, we got you ready to go. Full tune alignment, ERF 2030 plus MOSFET upgrades, electrolytic cap upgrades, wideband transmit and receive, ERF 2030 plus MOSFET Toshiba voltage regulator. We've got your gold plated fuse holder through in the box for you. Widebanded modified SRA 198, that's an option as well we offer. Got that done. Let's just get right to it. Make sure you feed this bad boy, okay? 250 watt slug, our power all the way down, 25 watts. So roll it all the way up, 125. I'll show you average power swing. Hello, hello, hello. About 220 bird, 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello, hello, hello. 600 on the money. Let's go over to sideband. Hello, hello, hello. 600 on the money. Alrighty, Mac Daddy, she's a hot one. We're ready to get it over to the West Coast from your friend Truck. TruckCBSales.com. Boom, boom.
Get your truckerized tune today. Truckerized.